Good morning. I am Dean Pohl, Rimini Street's Vice President of Investor Relations, and it is my pleasure to welcome all of you to our first ever Investor Day. The duration of today's event is scheduled to be 2.5 hours, including our Q&A session at the end. We have a comprehensive program of speakers and topics today. Our goals for this event are to introduce you to the broader executive leadership team and provide a deeper dive into the vision, strategies, service offerings, and execution plans that we believe will drive us to $1 billion in annual revenue and robust income and balance sheet metrics by 2026. Following the prepared presentations, we will have a Q&A session where speakers will take verbal questions from our covering financial analysts and written questions from all other attendees submitted online through the event site. Questions will be answered as time permits. Please feel free to enter your written questions at any time during the prepared presentations or during the Q&A session using the chat pane on your screen. Please note that the event website includes today's agenda, the presenters' biographies, and the slide deck presentation. Today's Investor Day presentation is being recorded and will also be available for playback together with the slide deck on Rimini Street's Investor Relations website. Now a few disclosures. First, some of the matters we will discuss in today's conference, including our business outlook, are forward-looking and as such are subject to known and unknown risks and uncertainties, including but not limited to those factors set forth in our risk factors heading in our most recent annual report and on Form 10-Q and other documents filed and furnished to the Securities and Exchange Commission. These risks and uncertainties may cause our actual results to differ materially from those expressed or implied during our presentation and are not a guarantee of our actual results. As always, Rimini Street assumes no obligation to update any statements made or information contained on presentation slides. Second, we are not planning to provide any information or comments today related to our 2020 fourth quarter and full year results that have not yet been reported or filed, nor are we planning to provide any 2021 guidance today. Rather, we will discuss these results and provide such guidance in our upcoming earnings announcement and conference call, currently scheduled for March 3rd, 2021. Third, during today's presentations, we may reference certain non-GAAP financial measures which we believe provide useful information for investors and analysts. Materials from today's conference, including a reconciliation to GAAP measures, can be found in the appendix of today's financial presentation and on the Investor Relations section of our website. Okay, with housekeeping items out of the way, let's get started. It is now my pleasure to introduce our first speaker, Seth Ravin, Rimini Street's co-founder, chief executive officer, and chairman of the board.